In this video, I'll show you how to register with a promo code on OneXBet. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're interested in more videos like this. So, to register a OneXBet account with a promo code, this is exactly what you should do, especially if you want the promo code to be active. The first thing you have to do is to come back to your OneXBet app and click on registration. Now, in registration, there are four options. Please don't choose the other options because if you choose one click by phone or via social media, the promo code is not going to activate. So the only option that works is by email. Once you choose by email, you're going to put in your surname, your name, and you're going to choose your country which you're from. So once you choose your country, you're going to put in your date of birth, and you're going to choose your currency to your local currency. So I don't know which currency you're using, but just choose any local currency that is used in your country. Now you're going to put in a valid email address and a valid phone number. Once you put in that, you're going to create a password. Create a password that follows these four criteria. Now, once you come down to these last two options, we have the promo code. This is what to do. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you up to 200% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit €1,000, you are going to receive €2,000 as a bonus. So once that is done, you are going to click on this spot and make sure it's selected. And you click on these three boxes and you click on register. If you filled all your details correctly, you can register. Your OneXBet promo code is going to be activated and your account will be created immediately. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.